Your Logitech G502 suddenly stops moving, clicks stop responding, or the RGB lights turn on but the cursor never appears on screen. Sometimes the mouse works for a few seconds and disconnects again, while other times the computer doesn't detect it at all. Most of the time, this issue comes from USB connection problems, software glitches, driver conflicts, or sensor blockage instead of actual hardware damage. A simple restart or reconnect can often bring the mouse back to life without needing replacement. Before assuming the mouse is permanently unused, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal performance. 1. Disconnect the Logitech G502 from the current USB port completely. 2. Plug the mouse into another USB port on your computer. 3. Restart the system to refresh device recognition. Number 4. Clean the mouse sensor gently to remove dust or debris. Open device settings and check if the mouse appears correctly. 6. Update or reinstall Logitech software and drivers. 7. Test clicks and cursor movement after reconnecting the mouse.